Kenya. And we find that the nation is divided, sharply divided in matters of politics, and which is really affecting us, affecting the economic progress of this nation. I just want to urge the president to focus on ensuring that development goes to the grassroots level and youths are employed, especially focus on issue of value addition and manufacturing, so that our people can get employment in such firms. Each and every county has a potential. That will be the best way to ensure that unemployment rate is reduced. Second of all, I also want to talk about this issue of a social hospital authority, or the social hospital insurance fund, SHA and the SHIF. Patients are really going through a lot in our public and private hospitals, and therefore I urge that the digitization of the entire system to be speeded, to be in speed, so that Kenyans can get services. Health plays a very pivotal role. It is also cater for other sectors of our economy, so it should be taken serious. The issue of education. I also want to urge the government also to ensure that our education prepares learners to the job market, so that somebody cannot learn from university and not even create job for himself. That will be the best way to go. Last but not least, I want to cover the issue of agriculture. We need food security in this nation. Some people are not taking 3 meals in a day, not because they like, but because of lack of resources to purchase those food. The production of food in Kenya has gone down, and we export much. And therefore, I urge farmers should be given subsidized fertilizer to ensure that they produce their products, to ensure that food supply is enormous, food supply is sufficient to each and every part of this country. That is my take. Maybe question? If there is? No question? Thank you very much. We adjourn the session.